Hey there, in this video I'm going to test this DS211 mini oscilloscope by MINIWARE. So this is the pack of MINIWARE DS211 mini oscilloscope. Let's open it. First you can see two manuals. Everything is explained well in this. Next is the oscilloscope. In the next compartment we can see the probe, a micro USB cable and some connectors. Now let's open the oscilloscope cover, and here it is. This is a cute looking palm-sized oscilloscope, a great piece of artwork by MINIWARE. Here you can see the navigation buttons, and on the right hand side you can see the on-off switch. On the left hand side we can see the input and output probe socket and a micro USB socket for charging and firmware updation. Here is my old DSO, and which got a bigger probe socket and also thrice in size. Now let's charge the DSO. You can see the orange charging indicator over here. After charging, let's turn it on. Amazingly, it took only less than 1 second to boot up. Now you can see the beautiful display and the menus. On the right hand side, you can see 8 menus, and each of them got different color, and the corresponding values we can see on the top side of the display. We can navigate these menus by pressing the plus and minus button. We can change the values using the right and left button. Press the M button to access the full menu like this. We can change and arrange each and every parameters. The first menu is about X-axis parameters, then Y-axis, then trigger modes. Then next is measurement menu. In the measurement section, we can measure frequency, duty, RMS voltage, average voltage, peak to peak voltage, maximum voltage and minimum voltage. We can see the selected measurements below on the screen. Now let's test the working. Here is a simple unstable multi-vibrator circuit using IC555. Let's measure its duty and find the shape of the wave. First I attached the second terminal to the probe. Then I connected the probe to DSO. After that I connected the probe leads to the circuit. Now we can see the waveform on DSO. After adjusting the DSO, you can see the perfect square wave. That's what we want in an unstable multi-vibrator. You can see the duty cycle of the circuit. That is also correct. So everything is working perfectly fine. In a nutshell, this oscilloscope is a perfect choice for hobbyists. The pocket size and the performance make it much useful for all electronic lovers. You can find the purchase link from the description. That's all about the review and testing of MINIWARE DS211 mini oscilloscope. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new from my video. If so, consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.